My name is Brent at language101.com. This is a series of how to make better audio recordings. Specifically, this video is about how to get rid of mouth noise. Now, the first thing that happens when you get a really high quality microphone, you put it up close to your mouth and you'll find that your mouth is making all kinds of... This is especially a problem when you're speaking slowly. It's not so much a problem when you're talking fast, but you'll hear that your mouth has lots of noises that you never thought of before. So with me today, I have a lovely French teacher, Andrea, and Andrea is going to first give us an example of a phrase said very slowly in French with lots of mouth noise.
J'adore le Québec.
Okay, did you hear the mouth noise in there? Now, the key thing to getting rid of mouth noise is to open your mouth a little bit more, move the microphone a little bit away from your mouth, and just notice that it's a problem, and very quickly you can eliminate it. So, Andrea, please go ahead and say that same phrase again, this time without mouth noise.
J'adore le Québec.
Mostly it's a matter of skill, becoming aware of your mouth noise, and then working to eliminate it. So that's about all I have to say in this video. There's a whole series of videos we've got today for you. So if you want more tips on how to make better audio recordings, please watch the rest of the series in this channel and YouTube. If you'd like to learn a foreign language better, please come visit us at language101.com. Thanks.